Using the location services in the Find My app on your iPhone, you can easily share your location with any of your contacts as long as they're using an iPhone too. There's a couple things that we want to make sure are enabled first though. You'll be prompted to turn these on as you go through the sharing steps, but just to be sure, we can check them first. Open the Settings app and then scroll down and choose Privacy and Security. Inside of here at the top, you'll see Location Services. Just make sure that that option's turned on and then scroll down until you see Find My and make sure that that's on too. Now that that's done, close Settings and let's find a contact that you want to share your location with. You can either open up the Contacts app or the Phone app and find the contact that way. Once you find the person that you want to share with, choose them and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see Share My Location. Tap that and then you'll see a pop-up asking you how long you want to share for. You can share indefinitely until you turn it off, for the rest of the day, or for an hour. Make your choice and it'll start sharing with your contact. They'll then get an alert letting them know that you're sharing your location with them, and then they can head into the Find My app on their iPhone. Once they're in the app, they can then tap the People tab on the bottom and they'll see a list of the people sharing their location with them. They can then choose the person and then they'll see the location for the set time that you told the app to share for. And if they want, they can do the same to share their location with you. And that's how you share your location with friends and your contacts on an iPhone.